Hi friends and yogis, welcome back to my channel. This is Tania. So today I'm going to share with you a pranayama. This is called Kapalbhati pranayama. So it is very beneficial for every people. It has lots of benefits. So today I'll share with you all the benefits, all the safety measurement and also the process. I think today's video will be very beneficial or helpful for you. So don't skip the video and watch full video. So I think you will found helpful. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, for Kapalbhati pranayama, or you can say it's a cleansing process. So for this you have to sit in Sukhasana on your mat, like relax pose, or you can sit in Vajrasana like this. Fold your leg and together, and you can sit like this also. You can sit and you can practice which is comfortable for you. You can sit like this. So as a beginner you can sit like this. It will be, I think, comfortable for you. So if you are a beginner, so for that you can place your both hands on your tummy. Then you can push your tummy little gentle, with gentle pressure, not too much pressure, little gentle pressure, like when you are releasing your breath, like exhalation. So you have to push little forcefully. You have to do this exhalation so that your tummy will go out inside. So if you can't do this in your way, so you just little gentle pressure you can put on your tummy. So like this I am showing you without hand and with hands. Okay, so like this. You can see my tummy is going inside when I am exhale the breath. So like this you can do, or you can just place your hand like this and you just press it with gentle pressure like this. When you are practicing this, your eyes should be closed. I am showing you, that's why I am opening my eyes, but you should close your eyes. So like this you can put your tummy inside like this, but not too much pressure. It's like a very easily. When you are exhaling your breath, that time your sound will come, like it's a little forcefully you are doing like this. But when you are taking inhale, so that time no sound will come. It's a very little time. And when you are just exhale your breath, that time you have to do it like forcefully, and some breath sound will come like this. Okay, and your tummy will go down towards your backside. Okay, so and one more thing, when you are practicing this pranayama, so if you have any kind of spinal surgery or any kind of spinal injury or any kind of health like backside pain or something like that, so you should consult with your doctor first, then you can practice. Because when you are practicing this pranayama, so you should get a mild sensation on your back or spine. So it is very normal, because your tummy will go down backward, that spine, right? So that you can get this, but it is normal. But you, if you have any kind of a spinal problem, then you should consult with your physician. Okay, so now you can practice with me. Okay, your hand should be on your knee like this. Okay, and you can close your eyes and you just start the practice. So let's do practice. First take a normal breath, then you can start. Now start. If you are a beginner, so you can do this like little slowly, but if you comfortable, then you can increase your breathe like fastly you can. So now I am going to do it little fast, okay? So when you are practicing this, first you can do this for 15 or 20 times. Then if you comfortable with this pranayama, then you can increase your breath count, okay? So you can increase your count. Comfortable, then you can take a break, little break, then again you can start and again you can do this 20 count. So it's a like this. Kapalbhati pranayama has lots of benefits. This pranayama, actually this is a cleansing process. It cleans our body toxin, means it detox our body. It's a very beneficial for your nervous system also. And when you are practicing this, you can feel on your tummy little pressure. So it will help for your tummy fat reducing. So it's a very beneficial, and for weight loss also. And also I should recommend students, they can also practice this because it increase your brain power, or like it can make your brain sharper. So it's helpful for them also. And also it has lots of benefits, like if you have constipation problem or digestion problem, you can get benefit for that also. And it is helpful for women also who having like problem for irregular periods or any kind of abdominal problem, and PCOD, PCOS. For that also it will be very beneficial. So everyone can practice. For a cesarean woman, they can practice this pranayama after 3 to 6 months of their surgery. They can practice this, okay? For normal delivery, I should recommend after 1 month or 2 months after they can practice this. I hope you found helpful this video. Previously I shared one video like cure hernia with yoga. So on that video I was showing like this pranayama only, but I didn't mention in details. So in this video I totally shared how to do and what to do, and how, when you can do and when you can't do, and also its benefits. So I think it will be very helpful and very easy for you to practice. So yeah, now you just start to practice. If you found helpful this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up or share with your friends or family. And if you found my channel new, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any kind of queries, you can comment me in the below comment section. So for today, yeah, keep practicing and bye bye.